That adorable kitten you're obsessed with. It's actually a biological marvel hiding shocking secrets. Did you know all kittens are born completely blind and deaf? For weeks, they can't even use the bathroom without their mother's help. Those cute blue eyes? They're temporary. Most change color by 12 weeks. Kittens can detect sounds at 65,000 hertz, far beyond human hearing. They're born with the ability to land on their feet when falling and have dominant paws just like we have dominant hands. The weirdest part? They physically cannot taste sweetness and only sweat through their tiny paws. Not so innocent after all, are they?